Morning, Energy Carbon Clean. We're here today with a BMW 320d. Now the owner's had this couple of months. We've been out to him previously with a Volvo. This one booked in basically for a nice checkup and get it cleaned up. Having used this before. Very little on the diagnostics, but what is on there is something that should be able to get sorted under warranty, hopefully. There's only 2 codes in the whole vehicle since purchase, and one of those is EGR cooling plausibility. That was in as an absent code when we got to it. We documented that for the owner, cleared that down. 10 minutes later it's back on as permanent code. That could be just down to the temperature sensor. Could be an issue with the cooler itself. Now, given the recent history with EGR coolers for BMWs, it'd be definitely worthwhile the owner getting this sorted sooner rather than later. So a call into the warranty company later will be in order. Other than that, it's running really nicely. Actually, the chain's been done, so it's fairly quiet on this one, and it's running pretty sweet. Nice and smooth and quiet now. We're getting it cleaned up. Got about another 15 minutes to go. But yeah, definitely get that cooler issue sorted out under warranty, and this should be back to its best.